Hello, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Happy International Nurses Day. I am doing a collaboration with Lady Phoenix and her secret co-host. Yeah, she's not telling anybody who her co-host is until the day of. But the reason I chose to do this is because I worked in healthcare many years myself. And if it wasn't for some very, very talented nurses, I probably wouldn't be here today because I suffer from a bleeding disorder. And I'd like to thank all the healthcare workers for being there for people like me. And remember, let nothing dim the light within you. Happy Nurses Day. We couldn't do it without you. And thank you for everything you do. Okay, I'm trying to shoot in a little different way to show you how I set up my vignette for Nurses International Nurses Day. I'm starting with the requirement a lighter lantern with these three candles. And then I'm going to add our floral arrangement, which has hearts, white ranunculus, red roses in a beautiful silver vase. I like the bling detail. And the tablecloth is silver and gold. And then, since nurses are such angels, I thought I'd add an angel. And then add a cross. I will do a better video with close up. Then I'm going to add some beads. It's a garland of beads, and it's really fun. I may work with this. I may have to work with that a little bit. And then I got this sign that says, "It takes a big heart to be a great nurse." And it has a stethoscope. Okay, here is my final finished vignette for Nurses Week. Happy International Nurses Day.